it's your girl Kim back with another video. So in today's video, I'm sure you guys can tell by the update, I am finally here to give you guys the 1 month update about this wig that I purchased from Wig Encounters. But before we get into the video, you guys know what I ask. If you like the content that I post, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for post notifications, and if you like the video, just like the video. Also, comment down below. You guys know I love engaging with you guys in the comment section, and if you're here watching my videos, watching my channel, please support me, help me grow my channel by subscribing. Also, slide in those DMs on Instagram if you guys have any questions. But let's just get right to it, straight to the point. I'm hoping that you guys can tell. So this is the wig. I love this wig. Like, I'm gonna put the price on the screen. Maybe here, there's space here, to let you guys know how much I paid for it. I want to say it was like $130 something. Don't quote me. But it's so worth it. Like so worth the price that I paid. So I wear this as an everyday wig. As you guys know, my work wig sits in the backseat of the car. I ain't got time to be bringing it in and out of the house. Like, it makes no sense. I can put it on when I'm on my way to work. It works best for me. And I've been gone for a little bit because, you know, I wasn't really feeling that well. I'm still not 100%, but I'm getting back there. So this has been just sitting in the backseat of my car, I don't know, for like 2 weeks now. And I just brought it out, put a little bit of water on it, ran a comb through it, and that's it. Do y'all see how good this hair looks? Like, now let's get into the details of the hair. We know it's not raw hair. We know it's not virgin hair. Like, you do see like little strands. I get very minimal shedding. The only thing I can really say that I don't like about this wig is the part space. So the parting space is from here to here. And then it's like, I think it's supposed to be like a 4-inch parting space. If it was like 6-inch parting space, this wig would, I don't want to say it would be perfect, but it would be perfect. I'm not even sure if they offer it in that option, but I have no complaints about this hair. I don't want to say me to treat the hair the way I treat the hair, but it's the same way I treat any of my other like work wigs. And for me to still get like this results, well, these results, I don't know if it's, I feel like it's been more than a month because you guys know I bought a whole bunch of wigs all at once. But I love it. I really don't have like any complaints about the hair. Whatever it is, a blend, dyed, processed, it is working and it's working well. The hair, I think I mentioned initially when I washed it, some of the softness did change, but since then it hasn't changed. Now I haven't washed it because I don't want to say it's been like all over the place, but I took it out of my car to wash it and didn't end up washing it and then just put it back. It's been, I don't want to say through the ringer, but it's been traveling from place to place, from house to car, washing machine. And every single time like I need this wig to come through for me and like look good, all I do is add water and it looks good. Like, I love it. I really do love it. I would 100% recommend this as an everyday work wig. I would say, you know, don't count on maybe getting more than about a year out of it. I think that's fair. But I would buy this all over again. I would buy this in like a 6-inch parting space. Like, I don't know. Like, I think you guys can always tell by the look on my face how I really feel about hair and different things. In my past videos I've said, you know, how I felt about the hair, like honestly speaking, but to pay this amount of money for a wig and to not really have like any issues with the hair, it's worth it. Like, I don't know, like I really want to, not really want to, but you know, I want to try out some of these other hair companies and like have like an everyday work wig, but it's like I'm having a hard time parting with this wig because it's not giving me any issues. If you guys recall, I'm not going to mention the other company because if you watch my videos and you know who I'm talking about, where I did like a everyday work wig and every single time I washed the hair changed texture. And it didn't end up working out. It got really tangled, and like typically whenever you just add water to hair by itself, it'll tangle, and I don't get that with this hair. Now I did end up cutting it. If you guys recall in that maybe 1 week update, I didn't really like the way the ends looked, but like since cutting it and like wearing it how I wear it, every time I need this hair to perform, just add water to it and I have no issues, no tangling, no nothing. Like, I'm happy with it. Like, I don't want to say there's no other company that can like come close to this for like an everyday AliExpress type hair company, cost effective wig. There are a few close contenders, but this one for me is definitely a win for an everyday work wig. I mean, 2 weeks on a washing machine, 2 weeks in the backseat of my car not being used, and all I did was add water and ran a big tooth comb through it, and it looks like it's giving me big hair don't care vibes, like natural waves, like yes honey. So like I said before, I would definitely recommend this company. I love the way this hair has been performing for me. I will definitely come back to you guys and give you guys a 3-month update, but that wraps this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.